Hey everyone, Josh here at Community Ford Lincoln, a certified black label dealership in Bloomington, Indiana. And today we're going to take a quick test drive of this 2018 Lincoln Navigator-L black label. And to start off, we're going to show a little bit of the exterior. This is black velvet. It is a Navigator-L black label as stated before. It features the chalet themed interior. Quick overview of the interior. Has the Alpine Venetian leather interior and the silverwood accents, as well as a dual pane panorama sunroof, and the Lincoln Entertainment System. Placing the vehicle in drive with a piano key style transmission is pretty simple. I actually like the feel of them and the way they look. I like them way better than the rotary dials, as well as the stacked push buttons that you find on the Continental. I find those a little bit more tactile feeling than the previous ones. Power steering is electrically assisted. It is very smooth in operation. So we're just taking a quick drive around Bloomington, Indiana, home of IU, Indiana University. And we're just kind of cruising around. Was able to drive the vehicle for several miles. And this is just kind of what I put together. My first impressions are, even with the large wheels and kind of low profile-esque tires, the ride is very smooth. However, on some bumps you can feel it. That being said, the cabin is extremely quiet, and with the perfect position seats, the ride and comfort levels are very, very high. I found a really good position with the seats, and I recommend that you would, if you do get this vehicle and you do have the perfect position seats, please set the memory or you'll never find it. You'll never find that setting again. This vehicle does have the auto start stop feature, as you saw before in that previous clip. That can be turned off by the drive mode selector. There is a button that you can turn that off. There is also a auto hold button that will hold the vehicle at a stoplight or on an incline without having your foot on the brake. And we're on the highway and getting off the highway. It's a very smooth ride, as stated before, very quiet. You feel like you're in control, but you also feel like the vehicle is doing a lot of the driving for you, even though there is no autonomous driving features aside from the adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and things of that nature. But there is no automatic driving in this vehicle. I don't even think it's an option yet. Thankfully, Lincoln got rid of the return to neutral turn signal stalks, and now they stay in the upright position. Another feature I really like is the heads-up display on this vehicle. It is very nice and very bright. It uses DLP technology and projects very clearly onto the windshield. It shows your speed, outside temperature, fuel remaining, turn signal indicators, speed limits if needed, also your lane guidance. It's hard to get a video of it simply because of the way the light projection on the windscreen doesn't match quite the refresh rate of the camera, so you see rolling cycles of different colors. Bloomington is undergoing a lot of construction lately, so it's really hard to navigate through. But it's also really pretty too around the stadium and around the school. I was happy for the opportunity to take the Navigator out, especially considering how expensive it is. This one is stickered at $103,610. And just a little bit more driving. So far I'm very impressed. The interior fit and finish and quality, as well as attention to detail, is bar none. The main competitors are the Cadillac Escalade and the Infiniti QX80, I believe. I'm not a huge fan of the Escalade. I actually prefer this vehicle over the Escalade, and I think a lot of people who have watched the Navigator videos and reviews kind of think the same. So that is my drive. As stated before, I really liked it. I was very impressed. It handles nicely, especially for a car of this vehicle or of this size and this weight. If you like this video and would like to see more like this, please leave a comment down below. As always, we thank you for watching, And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.